Hello students, this is Archana Subhasri Tripathi and I welcome you all to the number one YouTube channel Aveti Learning. We are providing free online classes for your betterment of education. So in our previous classes, we have learned about the festivals which are celebrated in Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur and Mizoram. So let's move on to a new state to know a new festival celebration. But before that, let me tell you how do you join in live. So it's very easy. You should have to subscribe our YouTube channel Aveti Learning and press the bell icon for more updates. So here are some rules for you to maintain in live class. The first one is only you should have to answer the questions which is asked, and that should be in your comment box or chat box. Secondly, don't chat with each other. Thirdly, if you start chatting with each other, then you will feel problem while watching the video. So don't chat with each other. Just focus on study. And finally, we request you all, you should have to note down the important points only after watching the video. Okay. So now tell me, which state is known as the abode of cloud? Here in this picture you can see so many clouds are there. So which state is known as the abode of cloud? So here there is a new word, abode. The abode of cloud. Here abode means house. So which state is known as the house of cloud? Yes. Write down the correct answer on the chat box. Yes, all of you have given the right answer and the answer is Meghalaya. In this picture you can see clouds and clouds are there. So Megha means cloud and Alaya means house. Meghara ghara, Meghara alaya, Meghalaya. Okay, so let's learn about the festivals which are celebrated in Meghalaya. Okay, so here is our Meghalaya. Okay, so let's have a trip to Meghalaya and see which festival is this. Wangala. Wangala is the famous festival which is celebrated in Meghalaya. Okay, it is the most important festival of Meghalaya. And this festival is celebrated by the Garos in the villages of Meghalaya. So this festival is celebrated in villages. Okay. So Wangala पर्वटी मेघालयर ग्रामांचल मानकरे पालित हुए एहाकू गारो अधिवासी माने पालन करिथांती. So Wangala is also known as the 100 Drum Festival. So why it is known as 100 Drum Festival? Let's know. Because 100 drums are beaten together. 100ଟା ଢୋଲ ଏକା ସହିତ ବାଜିଥାଏ. କେଉଁ ପର୍ବରେ? ୱଙ୍ଗଲା ପର୍ବରେ. ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଏହାକୁ 100 Drum Festival ମଧ୍ୟ କୁହାଯାଏ. Wangala is an agriculture festival also. Okay, so it is basically celebrated in the month of November to mark the end of the hard work which naturally brings a good harvest. ଶସ୍ୟ ଭଲ ଭାବେ ଅମଳ ହେବା ପାଇଁ ଏହି ପର୍ବଟି ପାଳନ କରାଯାଇଥାଏ. So what are the features of celebration? So let's know what are the special features of the celebration of Wangala. So the first one is beating of drums. Here in this picture you can see It is the basic features of the festival Wongala, that beating of drums. That means people are beating the drums. Okay. ଏହି ଚିତ୍ରରେ ଆପଣମାନେ ଦେଖିପାରୁଛନ୍ତି କି ଲୋକମାନେ ଢୋଲ ଗୁଡ଼ିକୁ ବଜାଉଛନ୍ତି। ତ ଏଇ ଢୋଲ ବଜାଇବା ହେଉଛି ୱଙ୍ଗଲା ପର୍ବ ପାଳନ କରିବାର ଏକ ପ୍ରଧାନ ବୈଶିଷ୍ଟ୍ୟ। Then another feature is blowing horns. Here you can see a man is blowing horns. Okay. Blowing horn means the musical instrument which is made of a horn, and it is a wind instrument. Okay. So you should use your breath to blow the horn. And finally, the last feature of the celebration of the festival Wongala is traditional dancing. Here you can see that this is their traditional dancing, which can be found in Meghalaya. So there are three features. One is beating of drums, second is blowing horns, and the third is the traditional dancing. Okay, so these are the features during the celebration of Wongala. See, in this picture, we can see the traditional dancing is there, and let's learn about the style of the dance during the festival. So here we can see it has two parallel lines. Okay, here 1 and 2, here 1 and 2. Okay, so one is for men and the other is for women. Again, this one is for men and this one is for women. So how many parallel lines are there? Two parallel lines are there. So one is for men and the other is for women. So this is the style of dance. Okay, while the men beat the drums, the line moves forward together in a rhythmic manner. Genuinely, when we are dancing, then we are moving forward. We are having so many steps are there. So in this traditional dancing in Wongala, so when the men are beating the drums, then the line moves forward. So this is the traditional dance during the celebration of the festival Wongala in Meghalaya. And here we can see that the women are in a special festive costumes during the celebration of Wongala. Genuinely, the people of Northeast India, while they are celebrating such kind of festivals, so they are in a special kind of costume. So it is looking very attractive. So this is their festive costume. Festive costume means the costumes which are used in the time of celebration of any kind of festivals. Okay. So students, this is all about the festival Wongala, which is celebrated in Meghalaya. So I hope all of you have got the theme of this festival. So I hope all of you have understood very well. So let me tell you, we are providing free online classes and learning resources to Odia medium students during COVID-19 pandemic, which is an initiative by Awaiti Learning. So students, I request you all to invite all of your friends to join in Awaiti Learning, and to learn more about this chapter you can go through our applications Awaiti Learning. So you should have to download it from the Play Store, and you can get something more material about this topic. Okay, So today's this much, and we will meet in our next class with a new chapter, with a new festival. So till then, don't go anywhere. Stay home, stay safe, keep learning, activate your learning, enhance your learning with the authentic learning, Awaiti learning. Thank you.